I think there's never been a better time to buy a business. One that you buy and can pay you forever. The ultimate leverage. The second thing, they understand that broke thinking keeps you broke. You think, I can't afford it. They think, how can I afford it? You see, that's too expensive. They see, what's the return on investment? You worry, what if I lose money? They ask, what if I don't try? Same situation, different questions, different outcomes. And here's what's wild. Most of them started exactly where you are. Broke, confused, following the same script you're following, until they realized the script was the problem. So they wrote a new one. It didn't happen overnight. It started with outliers. People who got rich, not by working more, but by thinking differently. Entrepreneurs, investors, technologists, people who questioned everything they've been taught about time, money, and value. They looked around and asked, what if school was wrong? What if saving isn't actually that safe? What if working harder isn't the only answer? And instead of playing by the old rules, they created their own. The new script wasn't about security. It was about leverage and ownership. Building once, getting paid continuously. And once they cracked it, they never went back. As Naval Ravikant said, to get rich, you need leverage. Leverage comes from labor, capital, or products. Now what? Here's your new operating system. You can't unsee what you've just seen. The programming, the lies, the different game they're playing. So now the question becomes, what are you gonna do about it? You have two choices. Choice one, you go back to sleep. Pretend this conversation never happened. Keep following the old script. Choice two, wake up, install the new software. If you choose option two, and I hope you do, here's where you start.